pinaka-universal. Yung hingal-hingal sila tapos ni-interview mo. Sino yung spokesperson? Pinaka-leader. Pakilala kayo isa-isa. Wow.
6 as 1, you know we are. Hi, I'm BG. I'm the leader and the main vocalist of the group. Hi, my name is Ben. I'm the lead vocal and the lead dancer of the group.
I'm Jai and I'm the visual and main rapper of the group.
Hi, I'm Sabi. I'm the center and the lead dancer of the group.
Hi, my name is Drew. I am lead vocalist and the producer of the group.
Hello everyone, my name is Sabi. I'm the main dancer and lead rapper of the group.
So yun. Sino mga bias nyo dito? Isa-isahin natin ha.
Uy, hindi ako kasama. Turo na
Kasama siya. Isa-isahin natin. Ay, dito. Paano pare-parehas na yung sigaw nyo?
Paano? Sila yung sigaw. Sila din.
Sila din.
Yung nanay yung nandun sa labas.
Ate, kalma. Tama na.
In-interview natin sila. Paano kayo nabuo? Kailan pa? Bakit? Paano? Yan. Paano kayo nabuo? Tsaka kailan kayo nag-start?
We are officially nabuo kami officially last June 12, 2022 this year. And yung narinig yung song, which is Good Boy, is choreographed by Ben. And it was written by me and Ben. So the song that you heard right now is a pre-debut single ng Six Sense, which is not yet released. Pero the group is very proud to say na we are a self-producing group, which is we write our own music and we choreograph our own music. That's why we are very, very proud that we are Six Sense.
Ako proud din ako sa mga batang to. Ito yan. Hindi, I mean, ang gagaling nila. Sa kanila pa yun, di ba? Tapos siya yung nag-compose. Hindi nila deserve lang to. Deserve nila sa Araneta, deserve nila sa stage. And I'm looking forward sa mga batang to na mag-boom pa. Like SB19. Let's support all P-Pop group. So, meron ba kayong mga social media? Saan namin kayong pa-follow?
Hello. Yes, we have our official accounts: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. The official account namin is Six Sense Official.
Pagpasensyahan nyo na guys, yung TikTok account kasi namin is na-hack recently. So, hindi pa namin na-recover up until now. Pero, we'll try our best to recover the account. Pero everything, lahat ng social media accounts namin, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, is all Six Sense, 6ENSE Official. Yun po lang.
Yan, i-follow sila. Sige, may tanong sila tinatanong nila sa akin. Single ba kayo lahat?
Sige po.
Sabi, yes. Single, ano? Single silang lahat, bawal silang mag-date. Yes. Part yun ang trait nila, di ba?
Pasensya, taken po kami ng mga Six Sense fans na.
Ano ba ang pangalan ng banda ko?
As of now, wala pa pong official announcement yung management namin.
Okay. Siguro maganda third eye. Maganda third eye, di ba? Okay lang kayo tawagin third eyes. Ay, ayaw niyo dun. Ako magdidictate. Bakit? Ayan, palakpakan natin Six Sense. Alam niyo na gusto ko yung Good Boy nila. Ida-download ko yun pag available na. Sige.
Guys, please anticipate yung pre-debut single namin, which is Good Boy. Ayan, malapit na po release yung Good Boy namin. Sorry sa mga fans na naghihintay na delay lang, pero promise namin we're working on it. Ayun, so narinig niyo exclusively here i-share yung official audio ng Good Boy. Kaya, abangan nyo, sobra.
Yan. Thank you. Again, 6-6!
Pahinga daw po madalit tayo.
Feel ko sila wala silang TikTok. Ako nga po kasi, yung Facebook ko, tsaka Instagram ko, disabled